CodeOcean's admin panel is a single pane of glass to manage all users, resources, and data in your deployment. We can manage integrations, custom compute, and environments from a unified management console. In this video, we'll walk through and show you some of the key functionalities available to admins using the CodeOcean platform. All right, so right at the top here of our admin panel, we have analytics. So in here, we can see information such as user activity and cost. We also have filters so that you can filter a specific time range, user email, and a bunch more. We can also see, as we go across the top here, information such as compute resources currently in use. We also have information about different capsules, pipelines, storage, data, and more. We can also see and run cost by tags. And speaking of tags, I'm going to hop over to the custom metadata page. So this is where admins can specify custom metadata keys for data in the system. Users then provide values for improved search, management, and organization. So we have a couple of examples here. So this first one, the species key. Here we have a list of values for a controlled vocabulary. And we also have in the second example an open text box for project ID. I'm going to quickly demonstrate how we can add a new custom metadata key. So in this example, we'll do experiment date as the key name, and the value type is going to be a date. We will not make this required. Going to add a key, and now we have a new custom metadata key. Moving on down the left, we're going to show dedicated machines. So on this page, admins are able to deactivate specific dedicated machines to ensure that no capsules or pipelines are able to use these machines. So you can see on the right-hand side here, we can toggle any of these machines on or off. We can very easily search for machines. We can filter by GPU or CPU resources. We can also sort everything by cost, network performance, and so on. I'm going to move down to the starter environment page. So here, admins are able to manage the starter environments that are accessible to users through CodeOcean Compute Capsule. So here, admins are able to search through as well as filter through the existing starter environments. So here, admins can also add a new starter environment. You can either add a recommended starter environment that comes with the system, or you can deploy a custom environment, could be a public image or a private image. Alternatively, you can also deploy a environment that was built from a CodeOcean capsule. Starter environments can also be deprecated. So maybe this is an older image that you don't want users using anymore. So once deprecated, they won't be able to select it from the list. But we also ensure that any existing capsules already using this environment do not break. Another issue related to environment building is that our packages tend to take a long time to build and rebuild. So that is why we have our package caching. So here on this page, you can either provide a private CRAN repository for the caching, or you can use the public one. So this feature saves our users a lot of time so they can use any existing packages already in the cache instead of waiting for them to install every time. Some other features that I'll quickly go over. The integrations page here is where you can connect to one of your existing Git providers. So from this dropdown, we can see these are the ones that are currently fully supported by the system. We also have authentication. So here you can connect to your identity provider, and we also at this time integrate with SAML and OpenID Connect. If you have any questions about the admin panel, please make sure to look at our documentation or book a demo with us to get into more detail.